Brandon. Say hi, Brandon.
What's up, everybody? How y'all doing?
Oh, we're doing amazing. So, Brandon, how did you find out about photogenic?
Well, I found out about photogenic stalking your page. And then I found out, and I was like, who handles your marketing? And that's how we got started talking.
Okay. So you tried to sell me?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
You know.
I respect that hustle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Most definitely.
And so tell us a little bit of background about your hair. So first of all, you have photogenic in your hair right now, right?
Yes, I most definitely do.
Okay, so you volunteered to be our hair model today. So you have short hair. Can you stretch it?
Yeah.
Okay. So a lot of people with shorter hair have questions about how to apply photogenic, how it dries, is it hard, you know, the regular questions that people have when they try new hair products. So today what we're going to do is we're going to get a little bit of hair history from you, because a lot of people, they say, well, if it's short, I have 3A. He got something else.
Right.
So this is always, you know, a difference that people are looking for. So let's be as specific as possible. Tell us about your hair, the history of what you used before, and just give us the works.
Okay. All right, but
go ahead.
So previously, I had like a short haircut, and I was doing chemo treatments, okay, because I had a non-malignant brain tumor. And so my hair started to fall out like in one portion, and I was like doing like really just brushing my waves and just trying to get my hair to like comb over that one spot that was balding. And so I decided to grow my hair out. And as I decided to grow my hair out, I started using photogenic. Within the last past, what are we in? This is June. This is June. So I started using photogenic around January, February.
Okay.
And the last time I like literally cut my hair as far as in a wave style was like February. So this is March, April, May, June. So this is 4 months worth of growth right here. Now this part right here was where I was balding at. And this is what has now grown back. This is probably one of the longest pieces of my hair, like right here at the top right here. So, you know, most definitely I'm a faithful photogenic user. I use it every day. Sometimes, depending on what type of style I'm looking for, I may want to do like real curly. Sometimes I use my sponge and I sponge my hair up, and then I allow it to dry, and then I may take my, you know, my twist apart and then let it naturally be curly, stuff like that. But most definitely, I love the product. You know, it's nothing out here that I would ever use different from that. I used to use mane and tail, like the conditioner. And just like a little bit of oil and stuff, but none of the stuff that I could find for my hair will really work. So like even with like Can2, I tried to use that, you know what I'm saying? Like, and it used to make my hair hard, and I didn't like that feeling. Photogenic keeps my hair feeling really good all day. So most definitely, I love using it.
Okay, great. That's awesome. Okay, so on the part of your hair that was coming out, right? Was it like balding, or was it just like thinning, or was it like noticeable before?
It was thinning, and it was noticeable. That's how I was trying to get my hair cut in different ways where I could try to keep
cover it up.
Yeah, you know,
that'd be the worst.
To kind of cover it up. So now, you know, it's grown. It's
just like when you go to the club and you meet somebody and they have a hat on.
Hey, you think they give me a hatfish?
A hatfish, yeah. So you just got all these waves brushing your hair, and then you take a shower, and it's like, okay, surprise.
Exactly.
Okay, got you.
Yeah.
But that's cool. You know what?
And then even for my edges too, because like I used to go get my hair cut, and they would like brush in that black stuff or whatever, and then, you know, kind of edge up the hair or whatever, because I was like balding right here. And now it's just coming back.